Welcome to Dubrovnik, a city of 1,000 stories. Dubrovnik Walking Tours has selected the best ones for you, so don't get burned and walk with us.
Surrounded by powerful empires, citizens of tiny Dubrovnik Republic managed to maintain peace for centuries. Its freedom was bought by gold and defended by walls and diplomacy.
Want to get to know them? They're not so scary. Many of you have seen Dubrovnik as the King's Landing, a capital of the Seven Kingdoms. Join our Game of Thrones tour and follow the steps of our favorite characters all around the old city.
Now we are in Blackwater Bay, a place of famous farewells.
Some say knowledge is power, while others may not agree with it.
It's hard to imagine that this beautiful city was once attacked and heavily shelled. Learn the story about the war, what it was like to live in a besieged city, and how everything returned back to normal.
Hola Ivana, ¿qué tal?
Hola Bruno, lo siento, tengo prisa porque empiezo con nuestro recorrido en español. Adiós Bruno.
This was a bit about our tours from us. Of course, you're welcome to read all the reviews of other travelers on TripAdvisor. To join our scheduled walks, you can buy a ticket on the spot from our representative or book online and save 5%. Simply turn up 5 minutes beforehand. Just look for the red umbrella by the large Onofrius fountain in the old city.